Hello, I am Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS app. In this tutorial, we show you how to display the QR code of a table so that the customer can pay using it. First, select the corresponding table. The selected products will then be displayed in the order window. To complete the order, tap on the total amount. Once the customer is ready to pay, select the corresponding table. Then drag the control element upwards to expand further functions. If the Show QR Code function is not yet displayed, tap on the three dots to open further options. Now tap on Show Order QR Code. By using the QR code, the customer can pay online for the order. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know how to display the QR code of a table so that the customer can pay using it.